Huzur, is the person allowed to do Umrah or Hajj on somebody else's behalf while he is still alive? And if so, does he need to take permission from that person?
In fact, if somebody is alive and for some reasons he cannot go to Khana Kaaba, another person can do Umrah or Hajj on his behalf, but that would be an additional optional favor which is done to him. But it does not mean that he will be counted as having visited Khana Kaaba himself. It all depends on his conditions. So if Allah knows that he wants to go to Hajj, but for certain circumstances prevent him from going to Hajj, in that case, whether somebody does Hajj and Umrah for him or not, he is still counted as one who has done Hajj. But if somebody does it out of his love, and he will certainly be blessed by Allah with special prayer.